Hi, this is JR with the AGS company. Today I want to talk to you about complete brake line systems. Have you ever had to replace a complete brake line system in your vehicle? Or do you need to? Well, this is what's available. This giant box, pre-bent lines. The pre-bent lines are put in on the factory floor during assembly. So that means the chassis is going down the assembly line and they're putting the pre-bent lines in. So when this box gets to your house, you now have to fish these lines through the bottom of your car. Good luck with that. And look at the size of this box. Not only does it take up a ton of warehouse space and it weighs about 5 pounds, imagine paying for shipping on this. AGS has a solution to those big pre-bent kits. Our line is called EZFit, and there's a reason for that. Look at the size of the box. Full set of instructions, which I'll talk about in a minute. Each line is made from our world famous NiCopp. You see how easy it bends. It's cut to length, has the right flares, the right fittings on there. And then a tag to tell you where it goes. Easy to read instructions, tells you what line goes to where, and it all fits in the size of a pizza box. Oh, and it's got a lifetime warranty. We have over 1,500 applications and constantly adding more. A couple of tech tips before you get started. Take lots of pictures of all the lines, all the fittings on your vehicle, maybe even label them. Secondly, replace one line at a time. Sometimes it's not that easy, but if you can, replace one line at a time. Each EZFit is numbered and tells you the location, so it'll be easy on this end to replace one at a time. Just a couple of tips to make your life a little easier when installing EZFit. So say goodbye to the pre-bent line kits and $50 of shipping costs. Check out EZFit today on agscompany.com.